forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on inverse trigonometric functions. Problem number 1. Today tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. X belong to 0 to 1. First write left hand side is equal to tan inverse root x. What is the relation between tan inverse and cos inverse? We know this formula. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, or tan inverse x is equal to half cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So apply this formula. So equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus root x whole square upon 1 plus root x whole square is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Next problem. Prove that quote inverse this equal to x by 2 where x belong to 0 to pi by 4. To solve these questions, first find value of root 1 plus sin x and root 1 minus sin x. Root 1 plus sin x. We can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus, in place of 1 we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, or in place of sin x half angle formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So this is identity. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and write mode 1 root x square equal to mod x. Similarly, if minus sign is there, then here also minus sign, here also minus sign, here also minus sign. And now write left hand side. Left hand side is equal to quote inverse 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x is equal to quote inverse. Now substitute value. In place of 1 plus sin x, write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. 1 minus sin x. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Next step, quote inverse. In the interval 0 to pi by 4, cos theta is always greater than sin theta. So both quantities are in first quadrant, so cos and sin are positive, so no need to write more. And in the interval 0 to pi by 4, cos is greater than sin, so still this quantity is positive, so mode is not required. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 and sin x by 2 cancel. Similarly, denominator mode is not required, so cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Here also mode is not required, but outside minus sign is there, so minus plus minus. So minus cos x by 2 minus minus plus sin x by 2. So cos and cos cancel. Next step, cot inverse. Cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Cot inverse cot x by 2. Cos upon sin cot x by 2, and cot inverse x by 2 equal to x by 2 equal to RHS. Hence, next problem, tan inverse equal to this, where x belong to minus 1 by root 2 1. So first write left hand side is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x. Since x belong to minus 1 by root 2 to 1, let x belong to, let x equal to cos 2 theta, implies 2 theta equal to cos inverse x, implies theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now substitute value of x, 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now apply half angle formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta plus root 2 sin square theta is equal to tan inverse root 2 cos square theta. So root 2 and mod cos theta minus root 2 mod sin theta upon root 2 mod cos theta plus root 2 mod sin theta. अब now check value of theta. X equal to cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta belong to minus 1 by root 2 to 1. Then 2 theta belong to cos 2 theta equal to 1. Then 2 theta equal to 0. And cos 2 theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. Then 2 theta equal to 3 pi by 4. 135 degree. So theta belong to 0 to 3 pi by 8. Means in first quadrant. In first quadrant both cos and sin are positive. Tan inverse root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Dividing numerator and denominator by root 2 cos theta. Root 2 cos theta upon root 2 cos theta 1. Root 2 sin theta upon root 2 sin theta. Root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta tan theta upon root 2 cos theta upon root 2 cos theta 1 plus root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta tan theta. Next step equal to tan inverse In place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta we can write 1 into tan theta. So tan pi by 4 into tan theta. This is formula of tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Now substitute value of theta. Theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Hence proved. Next problem. Tan pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse a by b plus tan pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse a by b equal to 2b by a. Left hand side is equal to tan pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse a upon b plus tan pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse a upon b. Let 1 by 2 cos inverse a by b is equal to theta. So we get tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta. Now simplify. Tan a plus b. Tan pi by 4 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta plus tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Tan 45 degree is 1, so 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta equal to, taking LCM, 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. So this into this, 1 plus tan theta whole square. So 1 square is 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta और 2 tan theta cancel. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. 2 times 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta. अब now simplify this. 1 by 2 cos inverse a by b equal to theta. So cos inverse a upon b equal to 2 theta implies cos 2 theta is equal to a upon b, and cos 2 theta, this is one of the identity, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to a upon b. Give equation number 1. Now compare 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equal to a upon b. Then 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta b upon a. So equal to 2b upon a from by equation 1. Hence proved equal to RHS. Next problem. If cos inverse x upon a plus cos inverse y upon b equal to alpha, then prove that this equal to this. First, since cos inverse x upon a plus cos inverse y upon b equal to alpha, apply formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to, apply this formula. So cos inverse x upon a into y upon b minus root 1 minus x square upon a square root 1 minus y square upon b square. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse x into y minus 1 minus x square 1 minus y square is equal to alpha. Next step, xy upon ab minus this into this, 1 into 1 1 minus this into this, x square upon a square, then this into 1 into 1, then 1 into this, minus y square upon b square, then this into this, minus x square upon a square, and this into this, plus x square y square upon a square b square is equal to, send cos right side, so cos alpha. अब now more simplify, so separate root and without root, xy upon ab minus cos alpha is equal to this whole quantity. Rearrange, y square upon b square plus x square y square upon a square b square, squaring on both sides. So tell me square of left hand side, x square y square upon a square b square plus b square cos square alpha minus 2ab, so minus 2xy upon ab cos alpha is equal to square of right hand side, 1 minus x square upon a square minus y square upon b square plus x square y square upon a square b square, x square y square upon a square b square cancel. Now rearrange, first write x square upon a square, then minus 2xy upon ab cos alpha plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha, which is equal to sin square alpha. So write one more step, x square upon a square minus 2xy upon ab cos alpha plus y square upon b square is equal to sin square alpha. Hence good. Next problem, this equal to this, find the value of x. Tan inverse x whole square plus cot inverse x whole square is equal to 5 pi square upon 8. Find the value of x. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. With the help of this identity, either change this or this. So normally we change cot inverse x. So next step, tan inverse x whole square plus, in place of this we can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse x whole square equal to 5 pi square upon 8. Next step, for easier calculation, let tan inverse x equal to y. Let tan inverse x equal to y. So we get y square plus pi by 2 minus y whole square is equal to 5 pi square upon 8. So this is quadratic equation in terms of y. When we simplify, y square plus, simplify, pi square upon 4 plus y square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so minus pi y equal to 5 pi square upon 8. Y square plus y square 2y square minus pi y plus pi square upon 4 minus 5 pi square upon 8 is equal to 0. Multiply throughout by 8. 8 to the 16y square minus 8 pi y plus 8 into this, so 2 pi square, or 8 into this, so minus 5 pi square equal to 0. 16y square as it is minus 8 pi y, 2 pi square minus 5 pi square minus 3 pi square equal to 0. अब now solve this quadratic equation by splitting middle term. 16 3 is 48. So tell me two numbers whose product is 48 and sum is minus 8. So 16y square. One number is more than 8, other is less than 8. Minus 12 pi y plus 4 pi y. 12 4 is 48 and minus 12 plus 4 minus 8. Minus 3 pi square equal to 0. Next step. What is common between first two terms? 4y. So 4y minus 3 pi plus only pi is common. So we get 4y minus 3 pi is equal to 0. Again 4y minus 3 pi common. So we get 4y plus pi is equal to 0. Product of two number is equal to means each factor equal to 0. So implies y equal to 3 pi upon 4 or y equal to minus pi upon 4. Now substitute value of y. Y equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse x is equal to 3 pi by 4, which is rejected because tan theta is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and this is 135 degree. So this is rejected. Or tan inverse x is equal to minus pi by 4, implies x equal to tan minus pi by 4. Tan minus theta minus tan theta is equal to minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. Thank you.